वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति सप्तमे अभ्यासे उदाहरणवाक्य संस्कृत बनाओ च। सप्तमे अभ्यासे कस्मिन् विभक्ति अस्ति? सप्तमी विभक्ति। समीचीनम्। So we have already seen seventh abhyasa, page 15, Panchadasha. We saw the udaharan vakya yesterday. उसने पुस्तक पढ़ी, सः पुस्तकम अथवा स पुस्तकम अपठत, because this is lung lakara, past tense. अपठत, a comes before the dhatu. धातुवे पूर्वे a स्वरा अस्ति। तू गाँव गया, त्वं ग्रामम् अगच्छः, मैंने भोजन खाया, अहं भोजनम् अखादम्। दुर्जनः पुस्तकम् अचोरयत्, दुर्जन ने पुस्तक चुराई। सः अचिन्तयत्, he thought। अहम् अकथयम्, कन्या मालाम् अरचयत्, प्रजा नृपम् अनमत्। भार्या सुधाम् अपिबत्, वसुधायां गंगा यमुना च स्तः। सा आगच्छत्, आगच्छत् दीर्घ, because a is already there in agaccha. In gaccha a hrasva swara comes, dhatu purve. Dhatu purve in agachat will be dirgha, because agaccha is to come, वो आ रहा है। आज अद्य संस्कृत बनाओ क वह गाँव।
Akarji, sorry, just a quick question.
Yes.
See, Bhutkal again. What does Anadya Yatana mean? Why is the word Anadya Yatana? For our lung.
Adya means today, right? Present, now.
Okay.
Anadyatana, non-present. Further, this is a good question actually. Thank you for asking. There are 10 lakaras. Here in this book, they have given lat, lot, lung, anadyatana bhutakal. आज के भूतकाल में लंग नहीं होगा, right? And vidhiling and lit. There are 5 given here. The first 4 are in a group called sarvadhatuka lakara. Lat, lot, lung and vidhiling are sarvadhatuka lakara. This is important in later abhyasas, in later vyakarana also. They are sarvadhatuka. There are 6 ardhadhatuka lakaras. A very important sutra in Panini Sutra is sarvadhatuka ardhadhatukasya cha. Sarvadhatuka ardhadhatuka yoho. This is an important sutra. What they are saying is, in sarvadhatuka lakara, lung comes. In ardhadhatuka lakaraha, the other 6, along with lung, ring, lit, ashiling, lit, lut, all this is in ardhadhatuka. In सारधातुका they have given अनद्यतन भूतकाल. आज के भूतकाल में लंग नहीं होगा. So it is not like, for example, वो आया है, he has come, right? That will also be bhutakal, but it is not anadyatana bhutakal. Here they are only giving past tense. What in English we say past participle, right? Something like that we say. Instead of past tense, we say past participle, which will be not anadhyatana.
So give an example of in English of which is anadhyatana and which is not, just Just
He-
two
I
sentences.
can say one thing, English.
Yes, please.
I had breakfast this morning is Adyadana past tense.
Ah,
Okay.
I had dinner yesterday is Anadyadana, it is not today's. So it is immediate past and the distant past actually. So Sanskrit make a distinction between something that happened today, Adyadana, and something that happened before today.
Oh,
a better.
that is not what
It is
from
true,
you.
Yeah.
but a better way of saying is, I came and I had come.
Ah.
Anadyatana is I had come.
But
I came.
if I had come yesterday, if for example in English you can say I had come yesterday also,
Yeah,
but then we don't use Anadyadana for that.
yeah.
We will use only
I
perfect
came
past.
yesterday.
Yeah,
So
perfect
while
past.
giving a kathayanam,
Yeah.
so that is what they are
Yeah.
saying here. Anadyatana bhutakal, आज के भूतकाल में lang नहीं होगा.
Correct, exactly. So today what happened is Adyadana Bhudagal, which is different from the regular past tense.
Yes. So when, like for example, I was telling a story where I said I had come from Bangalore 2 weeks ago,
That-
versus I came from Bangalore yesterday. Right?
Okay, yeah, that is what Hariji is saying. I mean, a little bit further down.
Yes.
But I think the nuance is a bit more in terms of the participle that you're talking about, because I had come can also be I had come today morning.
Yes, yes. So today and yesterday, Adyatana here does not require the day, right? Adyatana does not refer to the day, it refers to the time. Present,
Yeah.
immediate past, or long term past. It is not referring to the day as such. Day can be both. I had come today or I came yesterday, whatever. Both are correct.
Yeah.
So Adyatana would be immediate past.
So here, this is what lang lakara is. So for example, even if you see the examples is उसने पुस्तक पढ़ी, स पुस्तकम अपठत. He read the book. You don't say he had read the book, right? That will come later. That is later.
Okay. Sorry. Yeah.
Why? No, it's a good question. See, here, this is the meaning of अनद्यतन भूतकाल. आज के भूतकाल में लंग नहीं होगा. So आज के भूतकाल में वो होगा. दूसरा लकार that we will see in the next book. Not प्रारंभिक. In proper Rachananuvad comedy, that lakara will be addressed.
So sorry, when you say here lang anadyatana bhutakal, you are saying lang nahi hoga. I'm getting a bit.
Don't worry.
In anadyatana, lang is there, right?
Yes. So, see, this is a nice way to understand this. For now, what we are going to do is a simple past tense in this book.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
I came, I read, I ate, etc. This complicated past tense with participle, etc. will not come in this book. It is going to come after the Sandhi Prakarana in main Rachananuvad Kaumudi, where there will be examples. But for now, what is easy to understand for us is I came versus I had come. I ate versus I had eaten. Or I went
but-
versus I had gone.
Okay. Sorry, Kaji. Sorry, but I had come. We said was anadyatana.
It is not addressed now. I came is what is addressed now.
Okay. That is anadyatana or not? I came.
That will be see this here what they have said is lang anadhyatana bhutakal आज के भूतकाल में lang नहीं होगा. So आज के भूतकाल में वो दूसरा लकार होगा. Drink, I think. That lakara will happen.
Okay.
Which
So
lakara
they
is that?
label it as lang, and that's why I was
Yes.
getting a bit confused.
Yes. Well, this is the easy way to understand, right? In this book, there are 5 lakaras addressed, right?
Yeah.
Lat and lot we have already seen. Lot is for Agnya or request, or Agnya or request was for lot. Upasva in Chandogya Upanishad, Upasva, Sanat Kumarji tells Narada, Prana Upasva, Mana Upasva, Vag Upasva, do Upasana of this. That is lot lakara. First we saw lat, present, aham khadami, saha khadati, etc. Then we saw lot. Now we are seeing lang, which is simple past. I came,
Simple.
I ate, I went, etc. The fourth lakara we will see is vidhiling. Vidhiling is what is used in Vedas, in Karma Kanda. Even like, for example, Satyam Vada Dharmam Chara can also be counted as vidhiling, but in Mimamsa there are many other vidhilings. For example, Dharma Shabda vidhiling is given. Order, this has to be done. This is vidhi, this is niyama. That is vidhiling, used in many Vedic contexts. The fifth lakara we see in this book is simple present. Right? This is why a simple past matters in this page, because on Friday we are going to see simple bhavishya, not complicated bhavishya. He will be going, oh sab nahi. Only he will go. They will eat. I will go, etc. That will be seen on Friday. Then later we will see this participle and all that stuff. For now, this is good to understand. In this abhyasa, we are only going to say sa pustakam apathat, sa achintayat. It will be a simple past tense. He thought, he read a book, he went, etc.
Okay. Thank you. I'll have to sit with it. So we are in which abhyasa now?
7, saptama.
7. Okay.
Vayam saptama abhyase dash. Kim bhavati? Vayam saptama abhyase asti. Santi. Te santi. Vayam.
What is
Smaha. Vayam saptamabhyase smaha. Asti staha santi. Asi saha sthaha stha. Asmi swaha smaha. Vayam smaha. Vayam smaha. Okay. Sanskrit banao. Hari ji, Bhavan he went to the village.
Saha Gramam
Agachat. Because apathat is there in first agachat. Sundarji vadatu vaha yaha aya.
Saha atra agachat.
Agachat.
I have written it down as agachat.
Surya Prakashji Bhavan vadatu vaha hasa. Saha hasat. Very good. Hariji.
Saha apashyat.
Chaturtha.
Vah
bola.
Bola is
he said. Avadat. Sundarji.
Akarji, sorry, just one.
Yes.
We differentiated between sir and saha to say that sir we will apply against consonants.
Yes.
And saha again. So therefore here, because we are adding the would it be like a vowel? And so we have to say saha and not sir.
Exactly.
Is that correct?
Exactly. Saha apatat. Saha agachat. See, for example, in which Upanishad? So kamayata. In Taittiriya, right? So akamayata. Or even in Satyam Jnanamanantam Brahma, Yo Veda Nihitam Guhayam Parame Vyoman So Oshnute. So Ashnute. Saha Ashnute. Taittiriya Upanishad, Brahmanandavalli, first mantra. Saha Ashnute. If this was followed, they would only say So Shnute. They would not say So Ashnute. Right? Is coming. So before the vowel, Visarga hums. Before consonant, Visarga lopa. Right? Saha patat will be sa patat. Sa patati. Sa patat.
Okay, fine. Okay. Which number were we on?
Panchama. Usne vidya padi.
Sa vidya apatat.
Sai. Surya Prakashji.
उसने भोजन खाया सह भोजनम अखादति
स भोजनम अखादत अखादति न अखादत
What is Madhyama Purush of Saha?
Tvam
and Aho.
Tvam yuvam yuyam
Saha, Tvam, Aho.
सह त्वम भवान एव हरिजी सप्तम उसने धन चुराया he stole money
उसने धन चुराया सह धनम चुराया is
achorayat nice why it is not achurat
because the gana is like that.
Correct, exactly, wonderful. This is the right answer. The churadi gana, in churadi gana, words like chur, kat, chint, these dhatus, they have I Vikarana pratyaya. Ya. So churadi, chur will become chorayati. Khat will become kathayati. Chint will become chintayati. It will not be chintati. Because it is a different gana. There are 10 groups of dhatus in Vyakarana. In this group, in this gana, the I comes after the dhatu. For example, in the Udaharan Vakya number 8, Prajan Ripam Anamat, Nam dhatu is used. So it is not Anamayat. Anamat, because Nam dhatu is not part of Churadi gana. It is part of Bhadi gana, which we saw in the beginning.
Yeah.
So it is Anam, like Bhudhatu, Bhavati. Okay. Next, Sundarji vadatu. Usne mala banai.
Sa malam archat.
Arachat.
Arachat.
हाँ. समालाम अरचत. हाँ. सूर्य प्रकाश जी, उसने पत्र लिखा.
सपत्रम अलिखत.
समीचीनम. हरि जी.
उसने कन्या की रक्षा की. सह
कन्या is okay. Kanya
is the third.
Kanyam.
Kanya Arakshat.
Arakshat. समीचीनम. सुंदर जी, तूने पुस्तक पढ़ी.
त्वं पुस्तकम अपठः.
समीचीनम. सूर्य प्रकाश जी, तूने कन्या देखी.
त्वं कन्याम अदृश्यत.
हाँ, अपश्यः. समीचीनम. अपश्यः. And Hari ji, तू घर गया.
Tu is second person, so Tvam Graham one second, let me check.
Agacchaha. Abhavaha. Agacchaha. Tvam graham agacchaha. So the next three are like this only. We are not going to do practice now. But tune jal piya will be tvam jalam apibaha. Tune bakri chui. Tvam ajam asprashaha. And so on. Then we will see next. Sundar ji, मैं रात्रि में घर गया.
Aham nisham graham agacham.
हाँ, अहम निशाम गृहम agacham.
Graham agacham.
Agacham. Because and Ratri Shabda we have not seen yet, but Ratri Saptami would be Ratrau. Ratrau Pradipadikau Syadeva Pravideepa Darshana Vidau. Ekashloki, right? Ratrau Pradipa. Ratrau is Saptami Vibhakti. But you can also say Ratri Kale. Easy. Because we know Kala Shabda. You can say Ratri Kale.
But they gave the word Nisha, that's why.
They have? Oh, that is wonderful. If they have given Nisha, then wonderful. That is exactly.
Yeah, they've given at the top here in Abhyasa 7, they've given Ratri as Nisha. Second line.
Yes, they have given. Correct. Okay, wonderful. Nisha. Yeah. Correct. Nisha. Here I saw only Ratri and I thought Ratro, but yes, Nisha is wonderful. Correct. Surya Prakash ji, Kasmin? मैंने अमृत पिया.
अहम अमृतम पिबतम.
It will be apibam. Agacham, apibam, anamam, akhadam, faraham.
Here for Amritam they have given Sudham.
Sudham is okay. Sudham is correct. Amritam is also fine. Amrita. But Sudham is what we are using in this abhyasa. Because Sudha is Trilinga Shabda. Right? Hari ji.
I can use Sile, no? There Saptam, or Sila.
Shila is Strilinga.
So Sila is stone.
So
Sila
Chala is given here also.
Some Saptami, is it Saptami to be used or I can use a karma?
But what is the line?
Main
Shila par baitha.
baitha hai.
Hey, you can use karma.
I can use karma. So,
You can say Shilam is fine, I think.
Shilam is fine. No? Aham Shilam Baitam is
Tisht, stha dhatu.
Yeah. Atishtam.
Atishtam. Correct. Samichinam. So the next three also will go like this. मैंने भोजन खाया, अहम भोजनम अखाधम. मैंने पुस्तक बनाई, अहम पुस्तकम अरचयम. Aracham. Arachayam, sorry. Because Rach is Chuladigana, it will become Arachayam. Like Achorayam, Akathayam. Rach will become Arachayam. Aham Pustakam Arachayam. Next, Sundarji. कन्या लज्जा करती है.
Okay. So Kanya alajjayat.
No, करती है इस लट लकार है. करती थी नहीं ना, करती है.
करती है. So lajjayati.
लज्जाम करोति.
लज्जाम करोति. लज्जा करती है. लज्जाम. Yeah, fine. I got confused on this one.
No worries. सूर्य प्रकाश जी शिष्य क्षमा चाहता है.
शिष्यम.
शिष्यः. Why शिष्यम?
शिष्यः क्षमाम. Is it क्षमाम?
क्षमाम. सही, समीचीनम.
क्षमाम चाहना.
चाहना.
What is चाहना?
इच धातु.
इच्छति.
इच्छति, समीचीनम, बहु समीचीनम. शिष्यः क्षमाम इच्छति. हरि जी. मालाएं और जटाएं यहाँ हैं.
माला च जटा.
माला.
माला च जटा. माला ये.
प्लूरल, बहुवचनम. Malaha. But this is not Rama, this is Rama. Rama Rame Ramaha. Ramaha. Malaha.
Malaha.
Jata.
Jataha atra asti.
Cha pare. Malaha Jataha cha.
Malaha Jataha cha atra asti.
Atra.
Yaham hai. Atra.
Bahuvachanam. Santi. Samichinam. Bahu samichinam.
Sorry, just one question here, Atalji.
Yes.
Why won't we apply Napunsakalingam to Mala? Why won't we say Malani?
Because Mala is a Strilinga Shabda. Each Shabda forms is in a specific Linga. That is how the rule is. That each Shabda is a Linga. And Mala happens to be Strilinga, not Napumsakalinga.
Okay, so therefore it's the Mala.
Like very driving. The two things to keep track at the same time.
Yeah. You have to, it gets hard. But with practice, after some time, it is that mental memory kind of kicks in. You will, instinct will take over if there is some practice. Mala and Jata are both Strilinga Shabdas. Ganga और यमुना को देखो. Gangam, Yamunam, cha, Pashya. Pashya because this is which lakara? Pashya.
Pashya is Agya.
So?
Agya is Lot.
Lot lakara. Correct. Pashya. You see in Lot lakara, Madhyama Purusha, Ekavachana. Bhava. Pashya. In Chandogya Upanishad, Sanat Kumar ji tells Narada, Upasva. Mana Upasva. Vak Upasva. Dhyana Upasva. Anna Upasva. All Upasva comes. You do Upasana of that. Agnya. So, Madhyama Purusha, Ekavachana.
So this would be Gangam, is it? Or is it Ganga?
Gangam. Why Gangam? Because Gangam is विच विभक्ति कस्मिन् विभक्ति अस्ति?
Gangam will be that Dvitiya Vibhakti, no?
द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचन.
Ekavachanam, correct. So, object.
किमर्थम ऑब्जेक्ट. किमर्थम
Object.
कर्म.
So,
ऑब्जेक्ट.
उसको को देखो. So
Correct.
that is what it is. Gangam.
Yes.
को देखो.
को देखो. बकरी घर जाती है अजा गृहम गच्छति. Simple. This is not any difficult. If you see at home and you are going through this, if you have any questions, of course we can discuss every day. But from next week, for example, okay, we'll finish this and then talk about that. Ashuddha Vakya, sa grame agachat, Hariji, sa gramam agachat is given as Shuddha Vakya. Sorry, there is no answer here. Sa gramam agachat, there is only one Shuddha Vakya here. Saha grame agachat has become sa gramam agachat. It can also be sa gramam. In lat lakara, this will be
Saha gramam lat is gacchati.
gacchati. Saha gramam gacchati. Sa gramam gacchati. Sa kanyaya arakshat is given as sa kanyam arakshat. Dvitiya bhakti is used. Kanyaya kanyam. Aham griham agachat. Aham griham agacham. Aham griham agachat is given as aham griham agacham. Dvitiya shuddha vakya. Aham griham agachat.
Sagraham
Simple.
agachat.
Simple. Sagraham agachat. क ख घ को बहुवचन में बदलो. सो हरि जी वह गांव गया बहुवचन. सह ग्रामम अगच्छत. राइट. वह गांव गया. सो
The previous one, huh?
हाँ, फ्रॉम दो.
Saha gram from two or from wow, okay. Wah gramam gaya, right? That Saha taute.
तौ ग्रामम.
Saha taute, right?
Yes. So सह ग्रामम अगच्छत. तौ ग्रामम
Tau
अगच्छताम.
gram agachatam.
And ते ग्रामम.
Te te gramam agachan.
अगच्छन.
Yeah.
सिंपल.
Yeah.
सुंदर जी वदतु भवान. वह यहाँ आया द्विवचन और बहुवचन.
वह यहाँ आया. Okay, so Tau atra agachatam.
आगच्छताम.
Agachatam and te atra agachan.
आगच्छन. श्री प्रकाश जी वह हंसा द्विवचन और बहुवचन.
तो सताम.
हाँ, तौ आहसताम. हाँ, ते
सतन.
अहसन.
ahsan.
Ahsan. समीचीन. संध्या जी, if you are following, you can try. वह बोला. I'll give द्विवचन. You have to say बहुवचन. You are following? द्विवचन also you can say if you like. वह बोला. स अवदत will become तौ अवदताम. And ते अवदन.
Sorry.
अवदन. It's okay. धन्यवाद सूर्य प्रकाश. No problem. You can follow. It's okay. What we are doing is matching. So while making these sentences, we discussed this last week also. First sanya, saha, taute, whichever purusha and vachana that is, match it to the dhatu. So dhatu will be abhavat, abhavatam, abhavan. That matching we do. Okay. Then लट और लोट में बदलना है. क ख घ. हरि जी उसने विद्या पढ़ी. लट लकार.
उसने विद्या पढ़ी. सह विद्याम second karma.
अपठत. Sorry, in
you have to say put
lat. Correct. Lat lakara pathati. And lot lakara.
Lot lakara is patatu.
पठति, पठतु, अपठत. 3 लकार. सुंदर जी तूने कन्या कस्मिन् उसने भोजन खाया. लट च लोट च.
Okay, let's so saha usne, yeah, saha bhojanam khadati, and then saha bhojanam khadatu tu.
खादतु. समीचीनं.
Khadatu.
सूर्य प्रकाश जी, उसने धन चुराया. लट लोट च. लट
धनात् चोर्यतु.
इति लोट. लट लट लकारे.
Okay. That is sadhanam choryati.
चोरयति. समीचीनं. बहु समीचीनं. लट लकारे चोरयति. लोट लकारे चोरयतु. लंग लकारे अचोरयत.
Achoryat.
नाउ नेक्स्ट किमस्ति. हाँ, इन शब्दों के पूरे रूप लिखो. रमा, दिस इज वी हैव टू डू होमवर्क, सो इवन यू हैव टाइम you see the pura roop of Rama. Rama Rame Ramaha, Ramam Rame Ramaha, etc. All 8 Sambodhantak Vibhaktiya. And same for Dhatu as well. Bhudhatu, here they have given Abhavat Abhavatam Abhavan, Abhavaha Abhavatam Abhavata, Abhavam Abhavava Abhavama. So just for example, we will see Gra Dhatu we have not seen today. Ajigrat, Ajigratam, Ajigran, Ajigraha, Ajigratam, Ajigrata, Ajigrava, Ajigram, Ajigrava, Ajigrama. So this is how Gra Dhatu will go in past tense. Langnaka. वाक्य बनाओ. अपठत. हरि जी अपठत.
aham
अहम अपठत. अहम अपठम. अहम अपठम. किंतु अपठत इच्छामि.
सः अपठत्.
अपठत. सुंदर जी आलिकम.
Alikam. So aham alikam.
अहम आलिकम. समीचीनम. सूर्य प्रकाशी ऐच्छत. इच्छ धातु.
Ichat. Ichat.
हाँ, स इच्छत. समीचीनम. से इन सिमिलरली सः पश्यत. स अहम अतिष्ठम. अहम अपिभम. स जिग्रत. स चोरयत. स भक्षयत. रिक्त स्थान भरो. हरि जी. स पत्रम डैश.
लंग लकार.
लंग.
सपत्रम अब लिखत.
लिखत. समीचीनम. सुंदर जी. स फलम. लंग लकारे.
Saphalam echat.
ऐच्छत. हाँ. सूर्य प्रकाश जी. अहम भोजनम.
Aham bhojanam abhaksham.
हाँ, भक्षम. समीचीनम. So similarly it will be त्वम कन्याम अपश्यः. अपश्यः. मध्यपुरुष एकवचन. अपश्यः. अहम पुष्पम अजिघ्रम. So with this abhyasam.
Ajigram.
अजिघ्रम. अजिघ्रम. अभवम अजिघ्रम.
And is it echat or aichat?
ऐच्छत. Right?
Aichat.
What have they given there? हाँ, ऐच्छत. वाक्य बनाओ. तृतीय वाक्य.
Yeah.
पश्यतु. तृतीय शब्द पश्यतु. अपठत. अलिखम. ऐच्छत.
Aichat.
वाक्य बनाओ. पेज 15. 5th bottom of the
वाक्य
page.
बनाओ.
हाँ, 5th one वाक्य बनाओ. थर्ड शब्द is ऐच्छ.
Aichat. I saw it.
हाँ, सा ऐच्छ. Okay, इति अभ्यास सप्तम. Tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow. We'll finish and then there is one announcement. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Katau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम।